Camera Penetrant Cleaner. Remove black spots without camera repair. After cleaning, keep the original dust proof clean. This is the rear camera of Model 11. You can see black spots. Turn off your phone. Remove the camera. Use this LUBAN Camera Penetration Cleaner agent. Use your ultrasonic cleaner. Pour in camera penetration cleaning agent. The liquid depth should cover the camera to be clean. Start off. Insert the camera and swing it left and right. Start cleaning camera black spots. About 15 to 20 seconds. Pick up the camera and wait for 1 to 2 minutes for the liquid to evaporate. The camera will not be damaged in any way. Install the clean camera and start testing. Install the camera lens without touching objects. Enter camera function. You can see that the black dots on the camera have disappeared. The camera is not damaged. We took out the camera. Take out the wide-angle camera. Take the chip apart and look inside. Heating separation. Can see that the chip is washed very clean. The original dust-proof glue around the edges is also retained.